hubs don't segment a network. They just connect network segments. Never forget that by default router are break up a broadcast domain. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब है hub have no mind. Hub have no mind. But switch have mind. One PC send the traffic to PC B. This A12 packet send B. But if hub have 4 devices connected, A, B, C, D, then all are listen. I'm shouting a person name like a hi Sam, then all are listen every time, because this is the hub and hub have no mind. All are like this, a hi Sam, then he saying I'm Sam, and he saying I'm not Sam, D saying I'm not Sam. Every time. So hub have no mind. Like this is the switch have also 4 devices like A, B, C and D. Okay, all 4 devices. And A say hi Sam, and Sam say hi. This is so first time this is broadcast the packet. It means broadcast every. So first time it's sent to broadcast packet here, and here, and he's saying I'm not, and he's saying this, yeah I'm. So here every switch have the MAC address and switch have the mind. After that second time I'm saying hi Sam, then they are not broadcast packet to everywhere, because A know this time this interface have same. So, and one more thing, switch have this ability and switch have the collision domain. Here like this is switch have 4 interface, then 4 collision here, but hub have only 1 collision. If switch have the 52 port, then 54 collision, and switch break the collision. So you see A and B in here. If you see A and B on one switch, so this is one broadcast domain, and switch 2 have the C and D, and here is the one. So here switch and router has created 2 broadcast domain. So now A can't talk with C without permission, but A talk with B because they are in the same collision domain. Okay, if A want to talk with C, A has to send a packet with a destination address using C IP address. A can't broadcast to C. Okay. So when a host send a network broadcast, every device on the network must read process that broadcast unless you have a router. When router interface receive this broadcast, it can respond by basically saying thanks but no thanks, and discard broadcast without forwarding it on to the other network. So even though rules are no for breaking up broadcast domain by default. So here is the facilities of the router function as a L3. So if one router and one switch, so switch have two type, one is a L3 switch and one is a L2 switch. So we are talking about L3 device. L3 device have the ability of router, because router, if router have three interface and one interface have IP address 10.1 and second interface 10.2 and third interface 10.3. These is different interface, and here is a different switch. So by default they can communicate without any permission, but if required communication on L3 switch, then we are using IP routing command. If when we using the IP routing command, then all three interface communicate each other. Now so router have function packet switching, packet filtering, internet communication and path selection. So what is the packet switching? One device to another device. And packet filtering, we are using extended or standard access list on the router. And internet communication, when connect two or more switches, like this is one switch, this is second switch, this is third switch. Okay,